Nature's Embrace, Discovering the Best Places to Reconnect. Brought to you by Tripocity, August 6, 2023. Let's embark on a journey of serenity and natural wonders. Nature's Embrace, Discovering the Best Places to Reconnect. Welcome to Nature's Embrace, Discovering the Best Places to Reconnect. Escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life as we venture into some of the world's most pristine and awe-inspiring destinations, where nature takes center stage and the soul finds solace. Segment 1. Banff National Park, Canadian Rockies Majesty. Brought to you by Tripocity, August 6, 2023. Our journey begins in Banff National Park, nestled in the heart of the Canadian Rockies, surrounded by majestic peaks, turquoise lakes, and lush forests. This UNESCO World Heritage Site offers a perfect haven for hikers, photographers, and nature enthusiasts. Segment 2. Costa Rica, Biodiversity Extravaganza. Next, we travel to Costa Rica, a biodiversity hotspot, from lush rainforests and misty cloud forests to pristine beaches and active volcanoes. This Central American gem allows us to connect with Mother Nature in all her splendor. Segment 3. New Zealand's South Island, Untouched Wilderness. Prepare to be enchanted by the untouched wilderness of New Zealand's South Island. From the dramatic fjords of Milford Sound to the breathtaking landscapes of Mount Cook National Park, every corner of this island invites us to embrace nature's beauty. New Zealand's South Island, brought to you by Tripocity, August 6, 2023. Segment 4. Patagonia, Land of Contrasts. Our journey takes us to the rugged and remote region of Patagonia, spanning across Chile and Argentina. Patagonia captivates with its glaciers, turquoise lakes, and vast open landscapes, beckoning us to explore its pristine and untouched wilderness. Patagonia, brought to you by Tripocity, August 6, 2023. The Maldives, Ocean Paradise, brought to you by Tripocity, August 6, 2023. In the middle of the Indian Ocean, we discover the Maldives, an oceanic paradise. Embrace the tranquility of overwater bungalows, pristine coral reefs, and powdery white beaches, where we become one with the azure waters that surround us. Segment 6. Yellowstone National Park, Geothermal Wonder. Get ready to explore geothermal wonders of Yellowstone National Park. Brought to you by Tripocity. August 6, 2023. Get ready to explore the geothermal wonders of Yellowstone National Park. Witness erupting geysers, vibrant hot springs, and diverse wildlife in this iconic American park that celebrates the beauty of the natural world. Segment 7. Iceland, Land of Fire and Ice. August 6, 2023. Brought to you by Tripocity. Our journey continues to Iceland, a land of fire and ice. Marvel at the cascading waterfalls, dramatic glaciers, and geothermal hot springs, immersing ourselves in the raw power of the Earth's natural elements. Segment 8. Serengeti National Park, African Safari. Brought to you by Tripocity, August 6, 2023. We venture to the Serengeti National Park, a wildlife haven in Tanzania. Witness the Great Migration, spot the Big Five, and experience the untouched African savanna where nature's rhythm plays out in front of us. Segment 9. Tasmania, Pristine Island Wilderness. Brought to you by Tripocity, August 6, 2023. Returning to the untouched, we explore Tasmania, Australia's island state. Wander through ancient rainforests, encounter unique wildlife, and breathe in the pure air of this secluded paradise. The Swiss Alps, Alpine Majesty. Brought to you by Tripocity, August 6, 2023. Our journey concludes in the Swiss Alps, a testament to nature's grandeur. Embrace the crisp mountain air, azure lakes, and charming villages as we find serenity amidst the breathtaking alpine landscape. Nature's embrace.